A professional handbag catalog makes it easier for customers to explore your complete collection. Open Canva and search for catalog after clicking Create a Design. Browse through the available catalog templates and select one with multiple product sections and clean page layouts. Upload your handbag images and replace the sample products throughout the catalog. Organize similar handbags on the same page so customers can browse the collection more easily. Next, update the product names, descriptions, pricing, available colors, and sizes. Keep the text concise while highlighting the most important details. You can duplicate pages whenever you need additional space